Hey, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kushal and I am back with another video. So today's video is about how to make an electric bulb. So let's get started.
Items required:
A tublet, a sellotape, a battery and 4 copper wires. Okay, what is a battery? A battery is this one, but this is not a battery. This is an electric cell. So, two or more electric cells are combined together, then battery is formed. I hope you understand. A battery is made up of two or more electric cells. So now you will use only electric cell, not a battery. So now let's get started the method.
Method:
So first take a battery. Now attach the copper wires like shown in the video. Then take an electric bulb. Again attach as shown in the video. Hey, our bulb is ready. I hope you like this video. If you then like, also share to your friends and please comment in the comment section. And why are you giving dislikes? Please comment in the comment sections, and mainly please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And see you in the next week. Till then, bye bye.